my gosh, that's loud. Barely speeding up. And ended. It's gonna sound the horn again, just watch. Kaboom! Not kidding. It will though. Will it? It didn't even. Oh, there we go. This is where I hear the trains in the distance. Type of sushi place, whatever. Why is this so loud? Let's wait for the Metrolink to come. It's at Pomona, I think. Yeah. Let's wait. I'm gonna see if the light is green or whatever. It coming, guys. What a big airplane. It's coming. Oh god! K3 backup horn. Damn, we gotta go. It got like K3 backup horn. It got K3 backup horn, like, I don't even know which one I'm talking about, bro. Ew, what you doing? I don't know why that has that horn though. Look at that, he's doing the ditch lights. He's mocking the train. He's mocking the train, he's doing the ditch lights. I've never seen an airplane do ditch lights before. Peace. I did not know that one had K3 backup horn. Whatever. Yeah. Bro, he mocking the train, bro. Peace. Godito.